okay? And I gave her one slice kasi sabi ko baka hindi mo magustuhan. At least hindi mess up yung cake, okay? And then she asked another one, and then she asked another one, and she had eaten one-fourth of the cake. Okay, and ayan, magte-taste review na Mamshi. Sarap. It's really perfect talaga, guys. Napaka-perfect. This is the first time that I had eaten this kind of cake. This is the cornmeal cake. Okay, I'm the one who experimented the recipe. I'm the one who formulated the recipe. Share ko sa inyo, guys, ang recipe ko and the manner of making this after later on. Kasi mag-edit ako ng video. Ang dipopost ko doon kung paano. I have not made a tutorial kasi nga hindi ko pa sure kasi first time ko to, guys, gawin. Sarap. Ito talaga yung ano ko. Kung baga in-expect ko na this is what kung baga yung ninanais ko na result. This is it. Sarap. Kaya pala yung anak ko naka 3 slices. Kaka-lunch lang namin kanina. Sabi niya, mama, kakain na ako nito. And I gave her dessert na, naka-3. Imagine that. Harap. Perfect na perfect day sa coffee. Ako hindi pa ako kumain kanina kasi sobrang busog pa ako. Okay? This cake is cornmeal cake with almond. With ground almond at the topmost part. The topping is the ground almond, as you can see. Sarap na me cake today, and I'm the one who experimented the recipe, okay? And the very, very good thing is I made the recipe perfect, okay? So as you can see, yan na lang ang nandito kasi siya ate one-fourth of the portion of the cake because she really loved the taste accordingly. And in this video, I'm just going to taste review. I-attest ko kung talagang masarap ba or hindi. I will be the one to judge the cake that I have made, okay? At kung talagang perfect in the days to come, I'm going to share with you the recipe that I have made for this yummy cake. Okay, so without further ado, let's taste.